nice, well taken care of Road King. It's got 22,800 miles on it. Just went through our shop. It's had a service. Everything was checked out. Got a lot of chrome on this one. Highway pegs, high flow intake, custom timing cover. It's got the apes, it's got the chrome control housings, it's got heated grips. Of course it came stock with cruise control. There are a few imperfections here and there, but for a bike that has this many miles, it's actually in really nice shape. It's been through detail. They did a killer job on it. It's got your fishtail exhaust. It's got the chrome license plate bracket. It's got the 103 Derby cover that I believe was stock at the time. It's a really nice blue, real deep blue with metallic in it. A really nice pinstripe on it. So, oh yeah, and also it has an LED headlight and LED driving lights. So if you're in the market for a really nice, albeit a little older bike, the twin cam motor, 103, fuel injected, it's a nice Road King. Come on in and check it out before it's gone. They don't usually last that long.